Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a newsletter in MailerLite. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your MailerLite account. Now, once you're in here, go to the left panel and click on Campaigns. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to click on Create. Right here, you have multiple options. You have regular campaign, A/B split, RSS campaign, auto-send campaign, and also multivariate campaign. All right, for this example, I'm just going to select a regular campaign and hit on continue. In here, put your campaign name, for example, test campaign. All right, subject, maybe a reminder for a birthday party. All right, sender will be you. Pre-header, for example, this is just a sample pre-header. Right here at the top right, here's a preview. Recipients, click on it. Now, if you want to set it all of your active subscribers, go ahead and tick on this tick box. All right. You have filters here as well at the top right. You can filter it by name. Another one in advanced, right here, you can go ahead and select any filter that you prefer. All right. Going back to basic. I'm good with it. I'm just going to click on select, wait for it, and then click on next content. Now in here, you can go ahead and tweak your email design. But if you want to, you can just go ahead and click on template gallery. All right. Select the ones that suits your newsletter. Okay. For example, this one right here, if you want to preview it, just click on preview. Now in here, you can customize it all you want. All right. For example, these photos right here, you can go ahead and replace each photo. For example, this one, just click on this icon, replace image. All right. You can go ahead and use your Google Drive 10or if you have a 10or account, or directly from your device. Also, you have the option to use URLs. Just for example, I'm going to use this picture. All right. Wait for it to load. Once done, hit on insert. There you go. Some text right here. You have these options as well. The color itself, the background color. Want to change it? Go ahead and do so. And then a content style, button style, and background. Now, if you're happy with it, just go ahead and hit on preview and test to check it out. Preview mode right here. There you go. For mobile, here's what it looks like. I'm going to close this one. Okay, I'm just going to hit on done editing. Now, once you're in this page, you can now go ahead and scroll down and select send now, send later, or based on time zones. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on send and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.